I'm Judy, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how those Neat Method products look in my pantry. So I'm gonna pretty much show you guys a reorganization of my pantry. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, and then I'll show you guys kind of the process that I follow to get it decluttered, and then I'm going to add the Neat Method products to it and show you guys what it looks like at the end. Oh, I'm so excited. So excited. I'm always excited. Rather than me being in there and talking, I'll just kind of voice over everything so it's pretty clear and you kind of understand what I'm doing. And then, of course, I'll show you guys what everything looks like and kind of just go through it quickly. I've already done a pantry organization video 2 times, so I'll leave one of the videos up here and both of them below so you can kind of check it out. And then, of course, I'll come back on camera and talk to you guys because I gotta see you, of course. I gotta see you, hey? That's pretty much it. So let's get on with the video. But before we continue, make sure you like this video. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe below. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell so whenever I post a video, you get notified. All right, you ready? Let's go to my pantry. Okay, so before I start decluttering, I just want to show you guys the current state of my pantry. So for the most part, it's pretty organized. I try to keep my pantry organized, clearly. So basically we've been adding some things to our pantry, which is why the cereal box isn't in its own canister. And I'm kind of in the transitional phase, so that's why you see a few or 2 different types of glass canisters. I've been trying to figure out which route I want to take, and you'll see which route I take towards the end of this video. I finally went grocery shopping and got some things we needed. Thank goodness. So now my pantry won't look so dry. All right, so let's take some stuff out. So most of these organizing products I'm no longer using will be reused in my mom's pantry. I'll be reorganizing her pantry very soon, so stay tuned. Cue music. So these white canisters are from IKEA, and unfortunately they no longer have them, but I'm so happy I snagged 5 of these. Yes, I am. I'm so in love with these turntables. Look how beautiful this wood is. And the bins, and the 3 tiers, and the spice bottles. I mean, what more do you want? Okay, so let me clean really quickly. Ooh, you can see my bra strap. Hello. So of course it's important that you clean your pantry because this is a place that hardly really ever gets cleaned often enough. So this is a perfect time to do so. Basically, I'm just gonna bring the products in, lay them down, and just see how they're gonna sit in this pantry. All right, so this is basically what I have come up with so far. I like the layout, but I think I'm gonna change it up, but you'll see right now. All right, starting from the top are my 3 turntables, which look how beautiful this is. So on the left, I have my oils and vinegar. In the middle, I have all of my soy sauce based sauces. And then on the right, I have all of my condiments with my 1 peanut butter. So yeah, oh my gosh. So in the middle, oh my gosh, look at this masterpiece. In the middle, on the left side, in the middle, is where my spices now sit. So before, my spices used to sit in a drawer. So it's pretty weird to see them here, but I do quite like them. This brass color is just so gorgeous, especially next to the wood colors. So it's definitely a change, but I do love this change. And then in the middle of that sits my glass canisters, at least 2 of them. The rest sit below, as you can see. So we have pink salt in the back, and then we have sea salt in the front. I like this idea. Initially, I was gonna have this space empty, but every time I would open my pantry, it felt like something was missing. So I added these and it looks pretty good. So next to that is where all of our canned goods sit. We don't have a lot of canned goods, so this fit perfectly. So below is where all of my glass canisters sit. If you watch my channel, you've probably already seen these before. I used to have the small ones in the cabinet, but now I brought them into the pantry, and I love this. I got these from Amazon, and they do actually have a mid-size, but I didn't want to go out and buy more canisters, so I'm just using what I have, and I think these look amazing. I love the height difference. All right, below that are these beautiful black bins. Look how beautiful they are. So I have onions on the left, potatoes in the middle, and bread on the right. So the brass, I love it. I like the fact that I broke this up. I feel like it just looks much better. Okay, and underneath that are my water hyacinth bins, the natural color. Love it, love it, love it. The reason why I used these bins in my pantry is because they go with the bamboo lidded canisters. So I have my breakfast on the left, pasta in the middle, and I have snacks on the right. So we do have a second pantry, and a lot of things that don't fit in here sit in that pantry, which is also our storage room. If you saw my video on that space, you know what I'm talking about. And then below are all of the extras. We got the extra oils, extra spices, extra everything. All right, let's talk about the labels. So I did buy a pack of labels from Neat Method, and I love these. They made these labels perfectly for this type of bin. I mean, they're going nowhere. Just gorgeous. I love this. Look at that. So beautiful. So I stuck with the rectangle shape because your girl loves rectangles. And I created the same style of label on the canisters. And I think that came out really well. I did the same with the spice jars. And then on the water hyacinth bins, I did the same. So I tried to make them look identical. And I think I did a good job. And to attach them to the bins, I have a string that's going through the bin, which ties inside. And I did use a chalkboard label. I cut it to match the labels above. And yeah, I think it's a good match. You know, I gotta just, let me adjust it a little bit. And then the labels I used below are pretty much the same as I did for the spice jars. That is it. Look how beautiful this looks. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. That's it, guys. I'm so in love with my pantry. I just love the way it looks. And even though it's still functional, just as it was before, it's just, you know, more refreshing. It's new, and I really love it. Honestly, those Neat Method products are beautiful. So let me know in the comment section below if you will be organizing your pantry, or when's the last time you organized your pantry? This is a place that we frequent the most, so it probably needs the most maintenance compared to other spaces in our home. So let me know below. So you already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye.